Dear listeners, this Shabbos is the Tisha B'Av, the 9th day of the month of Av, in which we remember the destruction of the Beit HaMikdash, the burning down of the Holy Temple in Jerusalem, and the tragic and long exile of our people. Our sages tell us that when the Roman general Titus desecrated the Holy Temple and entered to the Kodesh HaKodeshim, the Holy of Holies, he stuck a sword in the curtain, in the paroches in front of the Holy of Holies, and a miracle happened and blood spurted out of the curtain. There's a rule in the Talmud that the HaKadosh Baruch Hu lo oiseh nisim b'chdi, that the Eternal does not perform miracles in vain. From every miracle that the Eternal performs, we are to derive a certain valuable lesson to be applied in our life. What was the sense and purpose of this very strange miracle of blood spurting out of the curtain when the Roman general sticks a sword in it? We know that blood, as it circulates in the human body, connects all parts of the body and makes them into one unit. And if circulation, God forbid, stops, then the organs of the body are separated, there's no connection between them, and they cease to function, and they cease to live. Blood symbolizes the connection that exists between all the sections of the body. Our sages also tell us that the major transgression of the Jewish people that caused them to become vulnerable and made it possible for the Romans to enter to destroy the land of Israel was the fact that there was sinas chinam, unreasonable animosity between the sections of our people. There was division and dissension among our people, and as a result of that they became very weak, and the Romans were able to bring about their destruction. In other words, the spear, the blood that symbolizes the connection between all parts had flowed out and ceased to exist, and this was the cause, the deeper cause for the tragedy of our people. So this was the sense of the miracle. The Eternal wanted to show our people why was the Roman general able to penetrate, go into the Holy of Holies and profane it and desecrate it? Because blood had flowed out. The element of unity that was supposed to unify the people and protect it from outside danger had ceased to exist, and therefore they became so weak and vulnerable to outside danger. In today's world also we suffer from lack of unity among our people, and in order to bring about Be'ezrat Hashem, the final redemption, we have to recover the basic unity that should dominate our existence. And once we recover our unity, we will be able to have the privilege of witnessing the final redemption of our people, the Mashiach Tzidkenu b'mheira v'yameinu. Amen.